Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to mix the super white lightening cream to get 4 shades lighter. So if you're a dark person and you want to get really light in space of a short space of time, this is the mixture for you. There is so much mixtures on my platform. You can go ahead and check them out. And remember guys, I do videos daily. So you can come back for more different mixtures depending on the type of creams you like. So there are mixtures on my platform. You can go ahead and look for it. Clara White, Maxi Light, Ultra, Super White. This is Super White, and so much more. You can go and
we you go know all of the blessings fall on my yard. Blessings stay for my yard.
Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to mix the super white lightening cream to get 4 shades lighter. So if you're a dark person and you want to get really light, I'll also put that in the description. This book will tell you all different type of mixtures that are effective that people already use and have used, and they are saying that these mixtures are fabulous. Okay guys, so let's get right into the video. So first you're going to get a jar of super white, right? Then you are going to separate it in half. So you're going to scoop out half and just put it away. As I always said, it is more effective when you do it this way. Then you are going to get a super white brightening gel. You can add 1 or 2 depending on your liking or how strong you want your cream, but I would prefer you to use 1 for the first time if you're using it, and then if you want to do that in the future, you can use 2, but 1 is enough. Then you're going to mix that. You're going to add sunscreen and add bio oil. If you cannot get this brightening gel, you can get the Neoprozone or the Milk Protein or Ultra Bright gel. And you can use this soap to wash your face. Remember to use warm water all the time, and it is best to lighten your skin at night. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Remember, comment down below. All the products will be in my description so you can purchase them using my link. So I hope you have a fantabulous day, if there's a word like that, a fantastic day. Bye guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and remember, watch ads, subscribe, press that notification bell, don't forget that. And more videos there on my platform. I post daily, so you can come back tomorrow and come watch our next video. Yes, bye guys.
We you go know all of the blessings fall on my yard. Blessings stay for my yard.